Hi there, Stephen here from Brau Supply, and in front of me I have our SV240 power regulator. A lot of you may have refrained from brewing indoors because there's this idea that you don't have enough power to the element when you start to brew indoors. This SV240 power regulator solves that problem because it gives you the ability to brew with lots of power indoors and get up to boil and up to mash temperatures very quickly. What it is it's a power regulator. It's not a temperature sensing device. So in other words, you can use this controller in conjunction with any 120 volt switching device that you may have, or you can use it with our ETC controller. How it works is your controller will plug from the power output of your switching controller to the input on the front panel of the SV240. And the SV240 then regulates the power to the elements, and it just plugs in using our included quick disconnect and power cord to the brewing element. The controller features a simple on-off switch built into the front panel and a rotary knob which proportionately controls the output power from 0 to 100%. What that means is you can regulate the power proportionally and precisely and set it to the exact percentage of the maximum output of the element that you're using. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. My name's Steven. This is Brau Supply.